Okay, here we go. Let's try that way. Let's see what we've got. I got a bunch of stuff on sale. I'm so excited. Okay, that can be recycled. Oh, oh yes, these. So these Kona white roll-ups. These, I have tons of them, but anytime I see them on sale, I grab them. The current project I'm doing right now with a picture quilt. You can see right here, this is exactly what I'm using, is this Kona white for the sashing and making the rows longer. I use this stuff all the time. So if I can get it on sale, I'm taking it. So got 2 of those. Oh, let's see what this is. Oh, Dinah's Delight. Oh, I saw this and I was like, oh, that's so pretty. It's so, it's really vintagey. It's like browns and blues and these beautiful pale, I don't know, what do you call it? It's not exactly pink. It's kind of a vintage pink, a vintage gold, a floral, a green. Oh, so pretty. Boy, well, I got 2 of these charm packs and they were super good deal. So I got those. Oh, look, I got some ice cream shop chucks. Well, I'll put those up with my collection. Okay, then this one I saw and I thought, okay, this is so, like, the colors are really muted. Wouldn't this be a pretty tonal project? Just very low-key. I was thinking a very low-key type of project. I wish I would have gotten some more of those, but I only got the one. But we'll see what happens. I don't know what I'm going to use it for yet. Oh, then I got bunches of layer cakes. So let's look at, whoa, and see, they were offering, so for April, Missouri Star was offering like 2 of their daily deals. You could get 2 instead of just 1. So I did indulge and get a few. This, I love these colors. Blues and greens and yellows. I don't know if you know this, but those are kind of my jam. Anything with turquoise or blues or greens or yellows, I love it. Wow, look at that. That's so pretty. It's got like a little flower on it. Okay, well, I got 2 of these, and these are FreeSpirit fabrics. What's the colorway? Buttermere. Morris & Company Buttermere 10-inch squares. Those are beautiful. Can't wait to do a layer cake project with that. Okay, let's see what this is. This is Adalee. Nope, no colorway on the back. Let's kind of pop this plastic off so we can flip through this fabric. Studio E Fabrics, Adalee, Chelsea Design Works. I think I got this a really good deal too. Okay, so we've got a black, gray. It's just got all the colors, gray, white. This would make a pretty, like a pretty rainbow quilt. I mean, I love doing rainbow quilts. Look at these beautiful colors, so pretty. Yeah, I think this one I will earmark for some kind of a rainbow quilt project. That'll be lovely. Then I also have a weakness for black and white, and these were on the daily deal for Missouri Star one time, and I just was like, oh, these fabrics are so cool. Just interesting prints, unusual prints. And I think these would look so super cute. Wow, that would even pair up with some of these bright colors in this one. Wouldn't that be interesting? But that's what I was thinking. These black and whites would really pair up so neat with some really super bright colors. But I got 2 of them because, like I said, in April, you can get 2 of the daily deals at Missouri Star. 2024, by the way, in case somebody's watching this in the future. But yeah, I got 2 of those, and that, oh wait, this is not the end. So these scissors were on the daily deal, but I had a friend ask me what kind of scissors, and these were on the daily deal that day, and I said, hey, do you want me to order them? It would be free shipping because I did the bundle. So I got her these scissors, so we'll have to arrange a meetup so she can get her scissors. Anyway, well, thanks for joining me for this unboxing. I wish there was more, but I'm excited about the small amount I have because, as you know, or may not know, have a very small sewing space. So whatever I bring in, the equal amount has to go out. I just don't have room. Well, here is the complete haul from my bundle. I really thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you back again real soon.